This is Math Lesson 2.7, Subtract All or Zero. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say, I can tell what happens when you subtract zero or all from a number. It says, when you subtract zero from a number, how many are left? So I see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles. And it says that we are going to subtract none of them. So if I do not cross off any of my turtles, how many turtles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, you're right. There are 6 left. So the same number is left when I subtract 0. Let's read the next one. When you subtract all, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 turtles, and it's telling me to subtract 6 turtles. So I'm going to subtract all of the turtles. And if I subtract all of the turtles, how many would be left? If you said 0, you're correct. There are none left. So let's look and see what our problems say. This one says 4 minus 0. There are 4 elephants, but we're not going to cross any off. So how many elephants are we going to have left? Great, you're right. It is 4. We have all 4 still left. This one says I have 3 horses and I'm going to subtract all of the horses. So if I subtract all 3 of the horses, how many do I have left? 0. Good job. Let's go to this one. This one says I have 8 and I'm going to subtract something and I'm going to equal 8. So if I have 8, and I want to end up with 8, well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8. How many did I cross off? If you said 0, great job. Let's look at this one. It says, how many do I have if I start with 7 and I subtract 0? If I start with 7 and I don't subtract any, how many do I still have? Great! I do have 7. Awesome! Let's go to our last one. It says, Jackson has 6 circles. 0 are green and the rest are orange. How many are orange? So let's go ahead and model that. It says Jackson has 6 circles. So I know he has 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 circles. It says 0 are green. The rest are orange. So all of these would be orange and 0 would be green. If I were to model that or draw a picture of that, instead of using my counters, it might look like this. It says 0 are green, so I don't want to color any. The rest are orange. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He has 6 circles. 0 are green. The rest are orange. So how many are orange? Yes, good job. 6 are orange. So let's write a number sentence. He has how many circles? 6. Minus how many green? 0. Good job. Equals how many orange do we have then? 6 orange. Awesome job. Great job working today.